One, there's going to be what new drugs are going to come out. There's lots of chat about immunotherapy. There's been some trials in prostate cancer, some of which look exciting, some then have been a little bit disappointing. I think we're still trying to understand who we need to give immunotherapy to. Some of the trials, I think we've done it in the wrong setting. We've given it to much more advanced people, and we need to be doing that much earlier on. So we need to know which drugs are good, but when to give them. And the second issue is going to be availability, because they're all really expensive and the NHS is going to collapse. So that's going to be a huge issue, because we may have a lot of drugs that are good, but we might not be able to give them all. And lastly, when all these drugs come through, we are now going, brilliant, none of the clinics can cope because we don't have space or capacity. And the other issue that we have is that we're not quite sure what order to use them all in. We've suddenly got all these drugs and we go, do we do that first and then that, or do we do it the other way around? And that's going to be the challenge for the next few years, is to take all the drugs that have now come out and say, how do we best order them, and how do we best, for different patients it might be different, it might not be the same order for every single person, and that's going to be our challenge, I think.